Yeah. So there's the app, GoPro app. So this is a short tech video about installing GoPro mounts in the vehicle. These are all the bits that came with the GoPro 3 Plus back in the day. Trying to get the camera mount in the car, so some of these bits will probably come in handy for that. So in this situation, the clamp wasn't really useful. I could only really clamp it there, and it's not very secure, it's going to wobble. So what I'm thinking, I'll mount one of the sticky pads there, and then I can push this on there, angle it back a bit, and it'll be just about perfect. Let's see how it goes. It came with the GoPro 3. Yeah, baby. Got another one there just in case. Should be recording. Up anyway. So I've got the sun full in my face now. I just want to see if the sun is coming into the lens at an angle. It makes the video looks pretty bad, especially when. Oh, the other thing I didn't take into account was my mirror. Is that mirror in the way? It'd be a pain if I got to move that every time. What I'm seeing there now, before I head it out of the way a bit. Yeah, that's a bummer. I wonder if I can have it over on this side. Might try moving you over there though. That might be the go. That is quite a good position. Now that looks pretty good. I've sort of got me dash mat up at a weird angle, but still. Oh, it sort of goes behind it, that's fine. Then I can do a comparison. I'm going to get some sun there. I can do a comparison of position 2 and position 1 and see which one I like. I mean, I could switch between the two. I did have a look at the vision from that already. I took the card out before and ran it through the laptop, and it's quite acceptable. Poor Anton. Hey, you're in the heat, boy. Anyway, I've got the air on. So I've got the GoPro app up. The camera's on the roof. I'm just going to go to camera. Control your GoPro. We can see the vision there. Okay. Okay, I'll turn this off and we'll go for a little drive. We can start recording from the phone. Okay, so we're recording again, which is pretty useful. Plus you can see your view. The app's definitely very useful when you're doing that remotely. Turn that off. Next thing I want to do is mount the GoPro on side step on the Challenger. So hopefully it will clamp on. These clamps between 1/4 of an inch up to 2 inches, which is just under 6 centimeters, I think. So I've had to use a right angle one, so it would clamp that way, and then that'll be facing forward. If you want to face backwards, you'd have to clamp on the other side of the vehicle on the side step. Clamp it on, and then we can actually adjust the angle with this one. Let's give it a try. the other side, that's good to look at the rear of the vehicle. So you can just switch sides if you don't want to mess around with the camera. Have it rear facing or front facing. So that was 2 interior mounts and now 2 exterior mounts. The flexible dual things obviously can be pretty good. You can mount it underneath even. All in all, that was pretty successful. I've got 2 internal mounts for the GoPro and I can talk to the camera while I'm driving safely. I've got the mount on the roof rack, which will be good for forward facing. The only thing is it's got the snorkel and the aerial, but I don't think that's too big a deal. And the clamp mount I can put on either side on the running boards, forwards or backwards. It just gives you another angle, doesn't it? Doesn't really make the video any better, but it just makes it slightly more interesting. The more angles you've got, that's why we've got drones. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.